This is one of my favorite gluten-free snacks in the whole wide world. This is Brazilian cheese bread. I do not know if they actually make this in Brazil. That is just what the recipe was called when I found it, and I would like to share it with you today. This is a super easy recipe, very few ingredients, and you take all these ingredients and you combine them into a blender. Then you pour the concoction about halfway into muffin cups and put it in the oven on 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. When they come out, they're going to look super puffy and huge, but after they cool a little bit, they're going to cave back in on themselves, but they're still super delicious. These should be eaten the day of. They're not very good stored or the next day. So make sure you eat them all in one day. Share them with your friends and your family. So enjoy, and I'll see you at the next video.